The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Lane OR, beginning at 9:23 p.m. and ending at 10:23 p.m. Lane County Sheriff's Office asks residents to please be on the lookout for a young adult male who is experiencing a mental health crisis and is not dressed for the weather. Described as a white male 5 foot 8 inches and 116 pounds. Unknown what he may be wearing. If the male is spotted, please do not approach him. Please call 911 right away with his location or direction of travel.